Hello student, today we do exercise 1.2 sum number 4 to 7 plus its examples. Sum number 4 is on your screen. Given that HCF of these two number is 9, find their LCM. Solution: write formula HCF multiply LCM equals to product of two numbers. HCF 9 multiply LCM, these two numbers, 306 multiply 657. Now LCM लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में ही रहेगा और 9 डिवाइड में, 3 3 ज़ा 3 2 ज़ा 3 1 ज़ा 3 9 ज़ा 27, 3 1 ज़ा 0 ज़ा 2 ज़ा. Now multiply 102 into 219. After multiplication we have 22338, that is the LCM. You can use rough work area for the multiplication. See how? Same. Now next, sum number 5. Check whether 6 power n can end with digit 0 for any natural number n. इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 आपने चेक करना है क्या n किसी पावर के लिए, n की किसी पावर के लिए क्या ये 0 से एंड होगा. If the number 6 power n for any n were to end with the digit 0, then it would be prime or divisible, you can say, by 5. This means its factorization contain 5 as prime. That is, its prime factorization of 6 power n would contain the prime 5. 6 power n we can write it as 2 into 3 power n, but it is not possible, na? It is not possible. Because 6 power n is equals to 2 multiply 3 power n. The only prime factorization in 6 power n is 2. ओनली प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन क्या है इसके अंदर, सिर्फ 2 है. इज 2. So by the uniqueness of fundamental theorem, by the uniqueness of fundamental theorem, it never end with digit 0. there is no prime in the factorization, so it never end with digit 0. सिंपल, यू हैव टू राइट द स्टेटमेंट इन दिस क्वेश्चन. आपको बताना है 6 पावर n, n की किसी भी वैल्यू के लिए 0 पर एंड होता है. ये पॉसिबल नहीं है. क्यों पॉसिबल नहीं है? 0 के एंड के लिए इसके अंदर 2 और 5 होना चाहिए. बट फंडामेंटल थ्योरम हमें कहती है कि 6 में 2 इंटू 3 ही आएगा, इसके अलावा 5 नहीं आ सकता. तो दैट्स वाई इट नेवर एंड विद डिजिट 0. Now, next, sum number 6. Explain why 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and are composite number. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. First, what is composite number? The number having more than 2 factors. वो नंबर जिसके 2 से ज्यादा फैक्टर हो कंपोजिट नंबर होता है. टेक कॉमन 13, रिमेनिंग पार्ट 7 into 11 plus 1, 77 plus 1, 13 into 78. See, when we multiply, one number comes. एक नंबर आएगा, एक वो नंबर और एक 1, तो फैक्टर है ही सभी का. इसके अलावा 2 फैक्टर आपके पास ये आ गए, तो हम यहीं पे लिख देंगे yes it is composite number. Next, it's part B. Take common 5, solving 7 6 are 42, 42 4 3 are 12 2 are 20, 4 multiply 1008 plus 1 109. After multiplication we have 5045. 5045 and 1 is a factor of this number. Accept this factor. 2 more factor here. That's why we will write here only yes it is composite number. Student, example number 4 same as this question. Same. Now we comes to next sum number 7. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round to the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Suppose they both start at the same point and the same time and go in the same direction. After how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point? To find how many minutes they will meet again at the starting point, we will find its LCM. To find after how many minutes will they meet again at the starting point, we will find LCM. LCM of 18 and 12. 2 9 ja, 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja, 18. 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3 power 2, 12. 2 into 2 power 3, 4 LCM, common highest power of 2, that is 2 power 2, common highest power of 3 is 2. 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9, 36. That means they will meet after 36 minutes at the starting point. You will write your answer at last. Example number 6. Find the LCM of 6 and 20 by prime factorization method. 2 3s are 3 1s are 20, 2 10s are 2 5s are. So HCF to LCM, take 2 power 2 into 3 into 5 makes 60. You can verify also. We know that HCF multiply LCM equals to product of two numbers. Next one is example number 7. We have to find the HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Hence find their LCM. Prime factor of 96. Prime factor of 404. (96) we can write it as 1 2 3 4 5, 2 power 5 into 3, and 400 as 2 power 2 into 101. HCF we will take least power in common, that is 2 power 2 makes 4. For LCM we will apply formula product of two numbers by HCF. Cancel and multiply. For multiplication we will use rough work area. Makes 9696, that is your answer. Example number 8. Important example. Find the HCF and LCM of 6, 72 and 120 using the prime factorization method. 2 3s are 3 1s are 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 2 18s are 2 9s are 3 3s are 2 6s are 2 0s are 2 30s are 2 15s are 3 5s are 5 1s are 1 2 3 2 power 3, 3 power 2, 2 power 3, 3 power 1, 5 power 1. HCF common least power, that is 2, common least power, that is 3. HCF is 6. LCM of 6, 72 and 120 is, जो कॉमन है उसमें से हम हाईएस्ट पावर लेंगे and remaining all terms multiply it. 8 9s are 72, 72 5s are 360, that is your answer. Okay student, thank you, have a nice day.